Hello, welcome to I Can Connect. My name is Teacher Eliza, and I am an English teacher here at I Can Connect. I hold a bachelor's degree in secondary education, and I am a fully TESOL certified ESL teacher with over 3 years of teaching experience. Throughout my career, I've dedicated myself helping students to build the strong communication skills, master English grammar, and speak with true confidence. To keep my students engaged and motivated, I love using visual reward, positive praise, and enthusiastic encouragement whenever they do well. I firmly believe that students will climb as high as the bar we set for them as long as we give the ladder to reach it. That is why I set high expectations while providing tailored, step by step guidance so learners can push past their comfort zones and thrive. So, what are you waiting for? Please come and learn with me. Hope to see you soon. Goodbye.